Okay, so now we have a video on how to file fold t-shirts, all right? I'm gonna show you here with short sleeve t-shirts. Of course, you can use the same technique for long sleeve t-shirts. You can use it for sweaters, sweatshirts, tank tops, athletic wear, anything that folds, you can do with file folding. So just like I've shown you before, you have the label or the front of the t-shirt facing you. So it's gonna face me. And then I'm just gonna grab my shoulder seams and right near where the sleeve seam is, and I just fold, fold those together, okay? And then pull up the bottom to meet the top and then fold it in half. I'm gonna start my little stack here. So, t-shirt faces me, grab the shoulder seams, fold it in, and then bring the bottom to meet the top and then fold it in half. So this makes them into little rectangles, which is kind of nice. Now here's a t-shirt that has some text on it. What you'll find is when you are file folding t-shirts with print on them, whether it's a picture, whether it's text, is now you'll be able to see a little bit of what that is when it's in the drawer, and that'll make it easier for you to find later. And then ones with pretty prints, I don't know. I just think it's cool to be able to see them this way. And having t-shirts in a drawer when they are file folded makes it easier to put them back in as well as to pull them out. So remember, if you have a stack of t-shirts or whatever is on a shelf, it's very easy for them to fall over when you're trying to pull something from the middle. So anytime that you can replicate drawers, either with baskets or bins, it's gonna make your life easier for your folded clothes. So let's put these in. So I'm gonna open my drawer, and I got a lot of t-shirts here. So I'm gonna slide these forward and then just drop it in, okay? You can put your t-shirts in a nice color-coded order if you want to. I think it's easier just to drop them in that way. And also if I decide, hey, I'm gonna wear something and I pull it out, gets out of order, it's easy for me just to drop it back in by sliding the t-shirts forward and they're back in order, okay? So that's file folding your t-shirts. If y'all have questions, let me know.